Y'all, quit playing with me and quit playing with my curls, okay? What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so my girl over at Harabi Beauty sent me this leave-in conditioner for review purposes. However, you know you about to get the real, you about to get the tea, you about to get everything, okay? Because you know how I do over here. All right, you guys, so this is the Moisture Madness leave-in conditioning cream. So this says for when the thirst is real, okay? For hair that has had a hard time retaining moisture. So the directions say to apply to wet, damp, or dry hair. Section hair before applying products generously by finger combing through each section. Proceed to style, and then for best results, allow hair to completely dry before takedown. It's great for twist outs, braid outs, rod sets, and more. But you guys, I'm most likely gonna do a wash and go because I haven't done a wash and go in a minute. So I'm gonna go wash my hair, clarify or whatever, because if you didn't know already, this is the exact same braid out from a few days ago or whatever that I used Blue Magic on. So I do need to go ahead and clarify so I can give this product a fair chance. So I'm gonna go do that and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so I am back from washing and conditioning my hair. I am really low-key excited to use this product. It has ingredients in it that I can actually pronounce, girl. Woo, okay, the first 5 of those I'll post somewhere up on this screen, somewhere, okay? Somewhere. All right, so I'm gonna do as I normally do and section my hair into 4 sections, and then I will apply the leave-in. So let me tell you a few things that I do look for in my leave-in before applying this leave-in. Normally I look for really moisturizing things to go on my hair. When I am applying my leave-in, I look for slip. I also look for I don't know, just the texture, like the way it feels going on my hair, the way it soaks into my hair, all of those things. So let's go ahead and get started, girl. Okay, so I have warm water in this spray bottle, so I'm gonna spritz my hair before applying the actual leave-in because we giving this a fair chance, y'all. And warm water helps with your low porosity hair. It helps you to soak in the products and, you know, get what you need out of those products. So I'm taking about this much. I know. Like, it's a lot, yes, I know, but I always do. This feels really, really good. It's like, ooh, very soft. It smells just like cocoa butter, y'all. Like the Palmer's cocoa butter lotion. That's exactly what it smells like. Really smells good. Okay, girl. Okay, we see you soaking into those strands already. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Y'all. All right. So obviously, as you can see, the slip is there. Definitely, it helped me to detangle my hair so well, especially with this finger detangling, because girl, as you can see before, it was a little tangled, but when I put this on, it helped me to go ahead and glide through, and I love that. Okay, y'all, quit playing with me and quit playing with my curls, okay? Don't play with me or my curls, because we ain't here to play. We just not. So same thing with this section. I don't think I need to apply as much as I did. It was really, really moisturizing, and honestly, the slip was there. Everything that I needed was there, so I just really don't feel like I need to apply so much. You know what I'm saying? I don't think I need to apply that much, girl, because it looked like we about to have what we need, you know? So I took a smaller section this time. I'm start off with something like this on this section. Your love is practice of even Even in the shadows. Y'all, this slip. I am so like, girl, quit playing with me. The slip to finger detangle is like everything. I am just, girl. Come through, curls. Okay, just come through. Come on through. Come on through. Come on through. Y'all already know what my thoughts on this leave-in is about to be, especially right here, right now, while my hair is wet. Girl, don't play with me. This is love, y'all. I can't even lie. And y'all already know I am known to hype something up. I'll hype a product up, but only if I like it, because I'm going to tell you the real. You know what I'm saying? But girl, baby girl, don't play with me. Because I'm loving it so far. But let me go ahead and... So if you have been rocking with me, then you already know that after I apply my leave-in, I like to put my plastic cap back on to let it just sit and soak into my strands. Once again, we're giving this product a fair chance, just like we do all the rest of them, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna sit around for about 10 to 15 minutes. But so far, first impressions, baby girl. I like this. I really like it. The slip was there. I feel like the moisture is going to be there. We'll see how well it soaks into my strands, because like I said, I'm going to leave this on here for about 15 minutes. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. And another thing that's going to help me to gauge it, I told you I was doing a wash and go, and I'm doing my wash and go with only this leave-in and this Eco Styler. And we're gonna see what my hair feels like when this dries, because that's another way. That's how you know if the moisture actually stayed in from the leave-in when you only use those two products. You know what you're working with, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so I'm back, and let's see what we looking like on that, y'all. Oh, y'all. It's so soft. Like, I am just, ooh. Oh my gosh, girl. Wow. Okay, so I don't think I'm gonna need any more to add as I'm going, so I won't be doing that. However, I will just be applying this Eco Styler gel as I go. But y'all, I'm impressed. I am. So far, I'm definitely impressed, okay? Your love is bright as ever, even in the shadows. Baby, kiss me. Turn the lights out. Your heart is glowing, and I'm crashing into you. Baby, kiss me before I turn the lights out. Before I turn the lights out. Baby, love me lights out. In the dark, it's not out. I search through the crowd. Your face is all that I see. I'll give you everything. Baby, love me lights out. Baby, love me lights out. finally finished, and you guys come on with these juicy curls, okay? They are so juicy right now. Baby girl, baby world, okay? I don't know. The leave-in conditioner was really softening, as well as this gel. I've already used this gel before and reviewed it for you guys, so if you didn't know, I'm gonna go ahead and pop that up here or whatever, so you guys can see what the deal is with this gel. However, we're not here for that, okay? But y'all, I do think that this combo is going to work very well together. I got a little scared at one point because when I started to like rub my hands together, it was like white beads or whatever, but I don't see those same like white beads in my hair right now, you know what I'm saying? So we will definitely see how it dries, and then I'll definitely show you guys if there's any flaking or anything like that. I'll definitely let you guys know. But I do think that this is gonna work out very well. So far I am like, girl, you might have you something. You might have a new bomb combo, okay? Don't quote me quite yet. Don't quote me, okay? We know that everything does not mix very well with Eco Styler or any type of gel for that matter, but we'll see, and I'll keep you guys updated on how everything is going, and then, you know, all that good stuff. And I'll be back when this is dry and we look like somebody, okay? Ooh, so we woke up this morning and our hair wasn't crispy. Okay. You guys, come on, you cannot tell me that this was not a bomb combo, okay? Bomb combo. The little white beads that I saw yesterday, I saw them in my hand, and that was that. I had absolutely no flaking this morning, no crunchiness, and I used that Eco Styler. You girl, you know Eco give you some crunch. It give you some crunch. But my hair was so moisturized that, girl, I think it counteracted some of that crunch. I mean, I did have a little bit of crunch, which was not bad, but it was not like hard down crunch. No, it was not like that. And then after stretching it, I have absolutely no crunch, okay? So this combo was definitely good. And the leave-in, baby girl, clearly our hair is moisturized. We are growing and glowing and flourishing over here, okay? And did I mention that it was black owned? Say what? Black owned, female owned, all that. For us, by us, clearly. So I do want to give a big thanks to my friends over at Harabi Beauty for sending me this product. This product was great, you guys. I'm not just saying this because it was sent to me, because y'all already know I'm gonna give you the real. I'm gonna give you everything I got, because that's me. It is what it is, you know what I'm saying? What's up? But I really did enjoy this deep conditioner, and I really like this for my summer wash and goes. You guys, I actually went and worked out and everything today before I came back to give you the real and the tea on all this, you know? So the fact that I went to work out, it didn't like poof up in the humidity and do the absolute most. I think this is a really good combo for the summer wash and go, because y'all, that humidity was killing me, taking me all the way out, and that ain't what we want, okay? So I feel like this is gonna be a really good summer wash and go. I feel like it's gonna get bigger by the day. It has the volume, it has the body, it has everything. Let's not forget the moisture, because baby girl, we here, okay? We are here. But I will be sure to leave the link to this product down below in my description box, as well as the link to the website in my description box, so you guys can go check it out if you would like, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.